Euphorbia prostata is very effective in treating hemorrhoids. Many suffer from it silently, without telling anyone about it. Piles, or swollen blood vessels in and around the anus and lower rectum that stretch under pressure, symptomized most commonly by bleeding, is still considered a taboo subject. With fast-paced progress in medical science, however, piles is now being recognized more judiciously and scientifically at par with other medical problems. Whereas on one hand, awareness on the ailment, and on the fact that treatments are in fact available to alleviate it has increased, on the other hand, it has also led to the mushrooming of quacks making tall claims without any substance. Piles or hemorrhoids are very common in both men and women. According to available data, about half of the population has hemorrhoids by the age of 50. Hemorrhoids are also common among pregnant women. The pressure of the fetus in the abdomen, as well as hormonal changes, cause the hemorrhoidal vessels to enlarge. These vessels are also placed under severe pressure during childbirth. For most women, however, hemorrhoids caused by pregnancy are a temporary problem. Recent researches in India have now established that the herb, Euphorbia prostata, is very effective in treating piles and anal fissures. In a recent study conducted at the University Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Punjab University, Chandigarh, as many as 32,000 patients of piles and anal fissures have been reported to have benefited from oral, capsule/tablet, and topical, cream/gel, forms of Euphorbia prostata. No significant side effects were reported. Following the studies initiated by Best on Health, an SBU of Delhi-based pharma major, Panacea Biotech, and the encouraging results of their succeeding monolithic study on 32,000 patients, the company in association with the Punjab University has recently patented the technology for extracting flavonoids from Euphorbia prostata, via European patent number EP08-68914. Based on this technology, Best on Health has introduced India's first 100% integrated and natural piles management system called Thank God. The company has patented the product worldwide and plans to introduce it soon in Europe, Latin America and other parts of Asia. This integrated kit combines the benefits of flavonoids with those of naturally occurring Aspergillus husk, and comprises of relief capsules, topical anytime cream, Aspergillus husk, a pain and relief cream, and an applicator. One of the major ingredients in Euphorbia prostata is flavonoids. Flavonoids have aroused considerable interest recently because of their potential beneficial effects on human health. They have been reported to have antiviral, anti-allergic, antiplatelet, anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor and antioxidant activities. In two other similar but more specific studies initiated in 2001 by Best on Health under the supervision of Dr. M.P. Arora of Randmanah Lohia Hospital and Dr. V.K. Malik of Maulana Azad Medical College, 118 cases of bleeding hemorrhoids were administered Euphorbia prostata-based flavonoids at effective doses and are examined later at 5 and 10 days for improvement in symptoms related to piles. The objective of the study was to explore and certify the benefits of flavonoids extracted from Euphorbia prostata in piles management. The symptoms of piles pertained to anal discomfort and pain, discharge of mucus from anus, proctorrhea, and inflammation of the rectum, proctitis. At the end of the 8-month trial, the physicians observed a statistical difference in the cure rate profile among the patients selected. It was observed that patients who were given flavonoids achieved an overwhelmingly significant cure and relief from symptoms of bleeding piles when compared to patients in the controlled group, on placebo. It is now established that flavonoids extracted from Euphorbia prostata reduce bleeding, pain and inflammation associated with piles, and reduce itching. They also promote efficient wound healing. Euphorbia prostata has been found effective in the entire efficacy parameters of bleeding hemorrhoids and show minimal side effects, with high tolerance among patients. Experts further suggest that these flavonoids work best in piles management when combined with other natural remedies like Aspergillus husk etc. And such an integrated approach also significantly reduces the risk of a relapse, recurrence, in piles. Experts opine that such a rationally formulated combination therapy seems to have an exponential and positive remedial effect and may speed up recovery from the symptoms of piles. This would be a big relief for the many patients hitherto hiding their distressing anguish and suffering incessantly yet silently. The pain, it seems, is finally over.